Are you a solopreneur feeling overwhelmed by the multitude of tasks required to run your business? Imagine having a team of experts at your disposal without the overhead costs. Thanks to advancements in artificial intelligence, this is now a reality. In this video, we'll introduce you to 12 AI tools that can effectively replace entire departments, allowing you to scale your business efficiently and focus on what you do best. 1. Devin by Cognition Labs, your AI software engineer. Devin is the world's first AI software engineer, capable of writing code, building websites, and developing full software solutions from simple prompts. It has passed real tech interviews, completed paid tasks on Upwork, and can even debug code and train its own AI models. Designed by Cognition Labs, Devin is built to assist human developers, but for solopreneurs, it could replace the need to hire costly engineers. Though currently in closed beta, Devin's results have been extraordinary, offering a powerful, scalable tool for building and maintaining software without a full development team. 2. AidBase, your AI customer support representative. Customer support can drain time and energy with repetitive questions about passwords, accounts, and tech issues. AidBase solves this by offering solopreneurs an AI-powered support system trained on your business data to deliver accurate, consistent responses. It integrates easily into your website with a chatbot or ticketing system, handling common queries instantly. Setup is simple. Just upload your site content, training materials, or FAQs. You can customize the AI's tone and instructions to match your brand voice. With easy installation via a code snippet, even non-tech users can get started. AidBase streamlines support, freeing you to focus on what matters while it handles the rest 24/7. 3. Galileo AI, your UI/UX design team. Galileo AI makes professional UI/UX design accessible to solopreneurs by turning simple text prompts or images into polished website and app interfaces. Instead of needing a full design team, Galileo auto-generates user flows, screen layouts, and visual elements based on your project description. For example, if you're building a freelance marketplace, it instantly suggests screens like sign up, profile creation, and project posting. You can fine-tune designs using plain text instructions. No need for complex software. Designs are easily exported to tools like Figma for further edits or developer handoff. Galileo streamlines the entire design process, helping solo founders launch beautiful, functional products fast without hiring designers or learning design themselves. 4. CyNF Flow, your AI recruitment specialist. Hiring top talent is tough, especially without a dedicated HR team. SynthFlow makes it easy with an AI voice assistant that handles outbound calls, conducts initial interviews, and collects key candidate info. You can customize its voice, greetings, and interview scripts for a professional touch. It integrates with your phone or services like Twilio and works at scale by processing bulk candidate lists via CSV uploads. CyNF also sends SMS, schedules follow-ups, and updates your CRM automatically. With natural, responsive conversation flow and smart question handling, this tool screens applicants efficiently, saving time and letting solopreneurs focus only on the most qualified final-stage candidates. 5. Clay, your AI sales development team. Clay is an AI-powered sales tool that replaces the need for a full sales development team. It helps solopreneurs build targeted lead lists, enrich them with smart insights, and launch personalized outreach campaigns, all in one platform. Define filters like industry or company size, and Clay auto-generates qualified prospects. It gathers data on tech stacks, recent news, and social activity to craft tailored messages. For example, it might note a company's use of Webflow and suggest related services. With AI-generated emails and automation, Clay boosts response rates and saves time, letting solo founders run sophisticated sales efforts without extra staff. 6. Jasper, your AI content creation team. Creating consistent content takes time, skill, and a team, but Jasper changes that. This AI writing assistant helps solopreneurs produce blog posts, emails, social content, and marketing copy tailored to their brand voice. Jasper understands SEO, inserting keywords naturally and offering optimization tips. It can manage content calendars, generate topic clusters, and repurpose content into multiple formats like social posts or video scripts. With support for different tones and styles, it adapts to educational, persuasive, or casual content needs. Its browser extension works across platforms like WordPress and Google Docs. Jasper empowers solo founders to run full-scale content marketing without writers, editors, or SEO pros. 7. Notion AI, your AI project management office. Notion AI streamlines project management by combining a smart workspace with AI that handles summaries, action lists, briefs, and documentation automatically. It identifies bottlenecks, suggests improvements, and maintains timelines, perfect for solopreneurs juggling multiple tasks. Notion AI can automate follow-ups, generate status reports, and create templates for recurring projects, ensuring consistency and saving time. It also writes SOPs, training docs, and process guides to support delegation and outsourcing. With easy integration via its API, Notion becomes a centralized hub for operations. For solo business owners, it replaces the need for project managers, ops staff, and technical writers, all in one powerful platform. 8. Midjourney, your AI visual design department. Midjourney empowers solopreneurs to create stunning visuals without hiring designers or photographers. Using simple text prompts, it generates custom illustrations, product mock-ups, and brand assets that match your style and visual guidelines. Ideal for digital or physical products, it produces professional imagery without photo shoots or complex tools. Midjourney also creates conceptual visuals for marketing or educational content, adapting to your brand identity by learning from existing assets. With control over lighting, style, and composition, the results rival professional quality. For solo founders, Midjourney delivers fast, on-demand content creation, replacing the need for graphic designers, illustrators, and costly visual production. 9. Synthesia, your AI video production team. Synthesia lets solopreneurs create professional videos without cameras, crews, or editing software. Its AI avatars deliver your script in multiple languages with lifelike voice and gestures, eliminating the need for on-camera talent. Perfect for tutorials, product demos, or marketing, Synthesia produces polished videos from just a script, no retakes or post-production needed. Updates are simple. Edit the script, and the platform regenerates the video. You can also create personalized video messages at scale and maintain brand consistency using built-in templates. Synthesia replaces videographers, editors, and presenters, making high-quality video content accessible for solo founders, fast, easy, and cost-effective. 10. Zapier with OpenAI, your AI systems integration department. Zapier combined with OpenAI empowers solopreneurs to automate complex workflows without coding. This duo allows AI to analyze emails, forms, or inquiries and route them intelligently, categorizing, responding, or flagging messages based on content. It extracts data from unstructured sources like PDFs or emails, eliminating manual entry. With access to hundreds of app integrations, solopreneurs can connect tools effortlessly, automating tasks across sales, support, and operations. Built-in monitoring and error handling ensure smooth performance without technical staff. By merging automation with AI decision-making, Zapier and OpenAI replace the need for integration developers, data processors, and IT support, streamlining operations for solo business owners. 11. Bard, now Gemini, your AI research department. Gemini is an AI research assistant that helps solopreneurs gather, analyze, and summarize complex information, eliminating the need for dedicated analysts. It pulls insights from multiple sources, synthesizing data with proper context and attribution. Gemini excels in exploring trends, competitive landscapes, and customer preferences, making it ideal for product development and strategic planning. It can also assess business challenges and suggest solutions based on best practices and case studies. With continuously updated knowledge, Gemini delivers detailed, well-structured reports, fast. By managing research, analysis, and reporting, Gemini replaces research analysts and market consultants, saving solopreneurs time while enabling smarter business decisions. 12. Crisp AI, your AI communication enhancement team. Crisp AI empowers solopreneurs to maintain professional audio quality during calls, meetings, and recordings, no matter the environment. It removes background noise, echo, and distractions in real time, working seamlessly with tools like Zoom, Google Meet, and Teams. Ideal for remote workers, Crisp eliminates the need for soundproof spaces or expensive gear. Its voice enhancement boosts clarity, while built-in recording, transcription, and summarization features replace the need for separate services. Crisp also tracks voice health, offering feedback to improve speaking habits. By streamlining audio production and clarity, Crisp replaces engineers, editors, and transcriptionists, delivering studio-quality communication from anywhere. By integrating these AI tools into your operations, you can effectively replace entire departments, reduce overhead costs, and focus on growing your business. Embrace the power of AI and transform your solo venture into a scalable enterprise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more insights on leveraging AI in your business journey.